Good morning, Mr. Robert and friends. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today. I want to talk about an issue that affects all of us who live in or near the capital city of Indonesia, which is Jakarta. Pollution in Jakarta and what we can do to solve it. Jakarta is a city full of energy, diversity, and opportunities. As the political and economic heart of Indonesia, it is home to more than 10 million people, but along with its rapid growth and development, Jakarta is also facing a serious environmental problem: pollution. This issue has been growing for years, and now it's reaching a critical point where action is necessary, not just from the government, but from every one of us. Let's start with air pollution, which is one of the most noticeable forms of pollution in the city. If you wake up early and look outside, you might not see a clear blue sky. Instead, you might see a thick gray haze hanging over the buildings. That's not fog, it's a pollution. The main cause is the huge number of vehicles on the roads every day, especially motorcycles and old diesel trucks that produce a lot of harmful gases. Factories and construction sites also contribute to poor air quality. According to International Air Quality Monitoring, Jakarta is often ranked among the most polluted cities in the world. This is dangerous because air pollution affects our health. It can cause breathing problems, heart disease, and even cancer. Children and elderly people are especially vulnerable. Now let's talk about water pollution. Jakarta is known for its many rivers, such as the Ciliwung River. These rivers should be a source of life, beauty, and clean water. Unfortunately, many of them are filled with garbage, plastic bags, bottles, food waste, and even toxic chemicals. Factories and households sometimes dump waste directly into the water without thinking about the consequences. This pollutes the water, kills fish and other animals, and causes flooding. Water pollution also increases the risk of disease like cholera and diarrhea for communities living near these rivers. So what can we do about this? First, we need to focus on reducing air pollution. One solution is to encourage the use of public transportation like buses, trains, and MRT. If more people use public transport, there will be fewer vehicles on the road and less pollution. The government can help by improving the quality and coverage of public transport so that it's more comfortable and convenient. Another good idea is to promote electric vehicles and cycling. The city can build more bike lanes and support the use of eco-friendly transportation. We should also plant more trees in the city because trees help absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Next, for water pollution, we need better waste management. The government should make sure that factories treat their waste properly before releasing it into the environment. Households also need to be educated about the importance of not throwing garbage into rivers. More trash bins and recycling programs in neighborhoods can make a big difference. Schools should teach students how to sort waste and protect the environment. Cleanup events and social media campaigns can also raise awareness and encourage more people to get involved. But solving pollution is not just the government job, it's our responsibility too. Every small action counts when we choose to walk or bike instead of driving. When we recycle instead of throwing trash away, when we speak up and spread awareness, These things can make a difference. In conclusion, Jakarta is facing a serious pollution problem, but the good news is that there are clear solutions. With strong leadership, public transportation, and a shared commitment to protect our environment, we can make Jakarta cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful for ourselves and for future generations. Let's start today because the future of Jakarta is in our hands. Thank you very much.